Tesla. Guys, Tesla over the past couple of days has seen so much growth. So we're going to be talking about what's going on, why we're getting so much buying pressure, and answering that main question of, is now the best time to invest in it? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter. We talk about everything money. I'm a full-time trader in the market. So guys, check out my school. We're doing a 50% off code America, 50% off for the 4th of July. Check it out. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, pretty much how I've been a full-time trader and the strategies I use for it. So guys, check it out down below. But guys, let's jump into this here. So looking at Tesla's chart, you guys can see that really over the past, I would say, couple of months, pretty much past year, we've seen just this slow and steady downward trend going from 414 all the way to lows actually at about $100 a share. Now, as we zoom in, you guys can see it really has that well-established trend line. But recently, what we've noticed in the past 5 days is just great growth. Now, this is because pretty much of something Tesla announced. Now, Tesla shares, let's go ahead and pull up the article here. So this is by CNBC, which is a very, very well-established news site. So Tesla shares rise on better than expected Q2 delivery report. Tesla just posted its second quarter vehicle production and deliveries report for 2024, reporting that it produced 410,831 vehicles and delivered 443,956. Deliveries are the closest approximation of sales disclosed by the electric vehicle maker. Tesla deliveries beat Wall Street estimates, but the total number was down 4.8% from a year earlier. So pretty much they're beating expectations on their delivery report, which is always good. This is a very, very bullish thing for the company to do because sales and beating expectations on deliveries often will correlate to better than expected revenues and cash flow and stuff like that. I think we all know, for those of you that don't know, Tesla actually did a recall on a bunch of its Cybertrucks, on I think all 11,000 that they've sold. They recalled almost all of them just for some faulty features, which everybody loves to freak out about. But for a new car, like a brand new off the line car, that's very, very common to see bugs and corks and stuff like that where they have to pull back, they have to fix it, and then they re-release it. I think it's very normal. So now let's talk about, should we buy Tesla? This is everybody's main question. So for me, as of right now, we do have this nice trend line, and I really think, for me at least, I own shares of Tesla. I've been dollar cost averaging in it for years, honestly, since I was like probably 18 years old. I believe in the company. I believe in Elon. He's a very, very smart guy. But I do think this trend line right now is a form of concern. And if we look at, some of the fundamentals here, I do think that are important here. Looking at the EPS is down, their last revenue's down, their cash flow is down. So it makes sense why we've seen so much sell-off. But I really think the best strategy, if you want Tesla shares, is to dollar cost average it. Dollar cost averaging is a great way to get a good average price for your shares. If Tesla stock sells off for the next couple of months, then your average cost is going to be a lot lower. Then once it recovers, you're going to be making a lot more money because your average cost is low. It's a very, very simple strategy you guys can easily do. Another thing here is keep it under 5% of your portfolio. So what that means is for every $100 you guys have invested into other stocks, other ETFs, keep it under 5% for Tesla. What that does is you're not going to be loaded up on it. If Tesla stock continues to sell off, it really won't affect your portfolio too bad if you have just a smaller amount of money in it. So It's a very simple thing you guys can do, but guys, for me, I'm buying Tesla. I think it carries a lot of long-term potential. The company's heavily invested into AI, technology, data. It's more than just a electric car manufacturer, and that's what a lot of people don't realize. So, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. But that is everything going on with Tesla. Take care.